Hi. When you sex the boy, you must be use your mouth, breast, anus, vagina, breast, anus, vagina, and penis and mouth. The boy is very happy when the mouth used by the girl, and the girl is very happy when the man use their mouth in the vagina of the girl. That is the use of the healthy sex of the women and men to be in a good relationship. They not forget it everything. That is I learned to do that in that sex. That's why we both see that it's mouth, breast, vagina, anus, and penis. That is the use of the healthy sex. It's a very healthy sex. They are very happy, both of the boy and the girl. That's it. Bye.